Hi, it's your girl Sandra. I am a techie craft person. Well, you all, I have it. The Apple Watch 10. I think I got that upside down. I'm doing an unboxing. Pull back. Pull back. Ooh. Okay, so I am opening it. I got the larger size with the rose gold. So let's open that. So you know you have to pull that tab. So let's pull the tab. Pull the tab. Okay, we having some technical difficulty pulling the tab. Yes. And we are now opening it. This is just the actual Apple Watch case. I'm sorry, you have to pull two tabs. Two tabs right here. All right, both tabs are pulled. Now we open, and inside of the box you have a couple of things. So first is the actual charger. The charger. I'm sorry that I didn't position my camera in the right place. So there you go with the charger, and it is a USB-C. Now for the frosting on the cake, I want to take out my actual watch. So I'm going to tear this open. You can see me tearing it open. I really got this because I really wanted the rose gold. The two I have are silver, and that's all they had in the aluminum. There it is. Ooh. Ooh, I already got like a screen protector for it. Ooh, there it is. Notice on the back, there's more metal now surrounding it, so I'm happy about that. All right, second unboxing will be my case, my strap, my wristband. Woohoo! I got the plum color. I just wanted kind of different color that I didn't have. All right, well, that's the unboxing. I am now going to pair it with my phone. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.